Understanding Plant Hardiness Zones. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that bridges the world of gardening and geography: plant hardiness zones. This concept is crucial for gardeners and plant enthusiasts alike, as it guides them on what plants can thrive in their local climate. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, understanding these zones can be a game changer for your garden. Let's explore together. Plant hardiness zones, also known as growing zones, are geographic areas defined by the minimum winter temperatures. Created by the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, these zones help gardeners and growers determine which plants are most likely to thrive in their location. The zones are numbered from 1 to 13, with each zone representing a 10-degree Fahrenheit difference in the average annual minimum temperature. The higher the zone number, the warmer the area. This system makes it easier to understand the climatic limitations for growing different plants and ensures successful gardening across various regions. Knowing your plant hardiness zone is key to successful gardening. It influences your gardening schedule, including when to plant seeds and when to harvest. By selecting plants suited for your zone, you increase the chances of gardening success, reduce the risk of plant loss due to cold, and ensure your garden is vibrant and productive year-round. It's not just about surviving the winter. It's also about knowing which plants can handle the heat in your area during the summer. To find your plant hardiness zone, you can use the USDA's online map or other gardening resources that reference this system. Once you know your zone, you can 1. Choose plants that are recommended for your specific zone or are known to thrive in a range of zones including yours. 2. Plan your garden by understanding which plants can be perennials, lasting multiple years, and which should be treated as annuals, planted anew each year, in your climate. 3. Adjust planting times based on the specific needs of each plant within the context of your local weather patterns and the zone's characteristics. Thank you for joining us today to learn about plant hardiness zones. This knowledge is not just practical. It empowers you to make informed decisions that can lead to a more beautiful, bountiful, and resilient garden. Remember, gardening is a journey of learning and growth, and understanding your local climate through the lens of hardiness zones is a crucial step in that journey. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.